know about you guys, but sometimes I find myself with a cup that either doesn't fit in the cup holder that I have next to me or that I have just nowhere to put, and that is where this product comes into play. Hi, I'm Lindsay here from RecPro, and this is our wall-mounted cup holder. It comes in white as well as in black, and the product code is RP-1790. I'll go ahead and put the dimensions up here on the screen for you guys. So these cup holders easily attach to your wall, and they are pretty low profile. And then when you want to go ahead and put a cup in them, you can just fold it out. It has adjustable arms right here that fit all the way up to a 32-ounce cup or bottle. And then when you're not using it, you can just simply fold it away. It's perfect for your van, truck, trailer, RV, anything you can really imagine. You can use this in there. It is made out of a hard, durable plastic construction that is built to last and is made right here in the United States. On top of that, all of the installation hardware is included, so you don't have to worry about finding the right screws to install this. If you guys are interested in this product and you need somewhere to put your cups, please check out the link down in the description. And while you're down there, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to see more, and remember, when you're rolling down the road, roll with RecPro.